Hi, this video shows you how to turn in work on Class Dojo. So you will go to your Class Dojo for you, the student, and the home page tells you all the things that have already happened. It tells you the stories, and this is where you might get some information with what you need to do and some links to look at. Also, you will have a to-do. When you see that, you will hit start. It says to draw a picture and write about something you like to do on a rainy day. That's why we don't have a camera and we only have the option to draw, because I said it was to draw a picture. So you're going to draw your picture. You can write something. Then, in this case, you might have a chance to read something. I like to read books. And then you are going to hit save if you are not finished with it. If you are finished with it, and then you can listen to it. I like to read books. If I like that and I'm done, I can hit hand in. When I hand it in, then Mrs. Haynes, me, will see it in my portfolio tab, and I will look at it, and I might give you a comment like, "That's great," and I will approve it. Sometimes you might see that I liked it only, and that I looked at it, and then it will go to your posts. So when I look to you now, this is the student view, I will see that I have done my to-do for today. Another thing on Class Dojo Portfolio that you can do is you can make your own creations. You can take a picture. And you can hand that in. You can take a video. Hi, I can't wait to see you on Monday. And then you can play that back. Hi, I can't wait to see you on Monday. And then you can hand that in too. You can also draw a picture and write about it, or if you want to upload a file to me, you can do that too. If you took a picture on your mom's phone, or you wanted to show me something that you had learned and you needed to upload that. The other thing that I want you to do every day, and you can do this for work on writing, is your journal. So in here, you can write whatever you want for your story. And then you can hand that in. Once again, I will see it, and then I will post it to your portfolio. So everything that you have done will be in your portfolio. If you see a timer at the bottom, that means that I'm looking at it. If it doesn't have the clock at the bottom, that means I've already seen it. All right, so this is how you do your work to show me on Class Dojo.